Hi friends, so I'm here with another interesting topic that is WebView in Flutter. So let me first tell you what is WebView. Basically, we can say it is a technique or we, a package we can use to render our website on a mobile device. Okay, so like it is very interesting topic, and if you are, working in a company or somewhere definitely might be using this somewhere. So let me show you some interesting method in this. First is we can change the website color, that is our web view color from the app. So let me show you this here. Then, we can also like run some functions in the website and get results from the website. So here then we have one method called channels as well in WebView. So we will go through them here, like in this tutorial, and we will master them from zero to hero. So let's go to this. I have this project. This is the starting Flutter template. So we are gonna use the Flutter WebView. First, let's edit Flutter WebView. Also, I'm gonna tell you how you can debug your WebView as well in both Android and iOS. Okay, so installing, that is install. So let's go to main.dart. Okay, so let's create two buttons like we have here, like one or two, these two buttons. Yeah, also in the app, I'm just using my own custom HTML, which I have like run here in the in my local system. So I will also tell you how you can, use your emulator to, like on the fly, you can debug your web user custom HTML. So I will also gonna teach you that on this. So okay, it is installed. So let's create two buttons first. Let's let's main access alignment center like this. Let's move this as well. Okay, let's I have this code here, so I want to save your time as well because these are just basic buttons. I wanna tell you. Okay, let's do one by one. First, our package is installed. So first we will create a controller for our web view. Okay, so we will late initialize it. So we can first we are going to initialize it late. Okay, here we get this web view controller, right? Controller. We will initialize our web view in the init state. So first let's do this init state. Okay, so we are going to initialize it. And how we are going to initialize it? This is how we initialize it. Web view controller. Okay, dot. Basically, you can spread operator to get the methods in it. So first we will add the JavaScript mode. Let's see JavaScript mode because basically this will enable your JavaScript in the browser, which is important. Okay, then we will add we will add channels in the will provide the support for channels in the our website, you can say. So how you give this add JavaScript channel? It requires a name. So this is important. So let's name it Flutter channel, and it requires a callback. As you can see, this is the callback it requires JavaScript message. JavaScript message, and this is the same message. Okay, so we will get the message here. Okay, we will get the message here. Then we have created this channel here, right? And let's remove this as well, this floating action button. And then let's first let me show you the, okay, since we have to write host as well. Let me show you. String, we have host. Host is basically just IPs I'm configuring according to platform dot. Let's see which platform we have to load. Platform.io is Android. If we have the Android platform, we are gonna use the I local this because this has to be same because for emulators and like for iOS simulators, this has to be same as I am typing. So for Android, it is 10.0.2.2, 10.0.2.2, and port. We have to provide port. In my case, it is 5050. I will show you why this 5050. I will show it to you. But for now, let's okay. And for iOS, it is HTTP colon slash slash 127.0.0.1 colon and our localhost port. Okay, then we have added our channel as well. We have enabled the JavaScript, and the last is the method which loads the web view. See, there are multiple method load request, load HTML string, load Flutter asset, load file. So all these methods are basically used to load your website in the web view or inside your app, we can say. So for now, we are going to use the load request. Okay, we have to pass it UI dot parse, and we will write our website, basically our local port. So this will be dollar host, right? Dollar host slash, and let me show you first this file I have created. And this is just a basic HTML code I have created. So let me show it to you here. So this is just a basic HTML code as you can see. And sorry, my port is 5500 as you can see. This is it, right? So let me write it. Okay, it's 5500. Okay, it's 5500. 5500. Okay, so this is our localhost IP, we can say. Then you see I am on this file, WebView underscore web.html. So I have to write the same file name as well, WebView underscore web.html. So this will load my WebView in the emulator or simulator. If you use like here 11, 12 or anything, it will not work on your emulator. And here we have to show the WebView widget. We use expand. If you don't use expand in the column, you will not be in this case your WebView will like consider infinite height, so it will not be rendered. So we are gonna use the expand here. Okay, so we have this WebView widget, and we pass the controller we have created in the init state. It will take this controller in the which we have created in the init state, and we will provide it to the widget. Okay, so let's check if it is working, and also I will provide you this basic HTML code, and also I will explain two functions I have added here and everything. Okay, so let me first run it to check everything is working fine. Here it is running. So I have this created this like channel here in the Flutter. So we have to like call this channel from our website as well. Then only you will receive the message in this. So why we use it? Basically, let's say you have something, any functionality, let's say in the website, and you want to like get response on the basis of your actions on the website, in your web view, and you want it on your app side. You can use the channels here, which will automatically triggered on some actions in your web view. Okay, so let's see. This time web development will not be loaded because okay, let's see where we have made a mistake. Web.html. Okay, let's see. Rerun it again. We have run it, right? Web.html, and this is the port. We have this host, and this is the file name, right? So let's see again. Not trying. Okay, let's see. We have uh, done it right. It's 10.0.2.2. Okay, 10.0.2.2. It's okay. Here we have this. We have the controller here, basically. Then we have the meta channel here. We have like requested it, and this looks fine. Platform.eu Android. We have then this is this. We have dot parse. We have the host. We have the web.html. Let's see what is the link we are getting it. It did not stop in the breakpoint. Okay, let's see. It goes there. Let's check the controller. So the host we have is this 5500 and 5500, which is basically right. Okay, let's first drop this as well. Then we have this load request, this method. Let's see the web page at this 10.0.2 web views underscore this could not be loaded because okay, yeah. Uh, there's one more thing we have to like. This is since HTTP method, not HTTPS. So we have to set one condition in the Android manifest, and same thing we have to do for iOS as well. Since this is HTTP method, not HTTPS method. If we use HTTPS method, then only we can render it. So what is that a method? So you have to use. Let me show you this condition as well. I have added it in this main manifest. You have to use this Android use clear traffic true. So let's rerun it again. I hope this works. Okay, let's check it again. Not working. Let's reinstall it again once more. Now we will review this one. Okay, let's run it again. So this is the 120 this. Okay, let's see. Oh, right, it is working now. Okay, so right now, if I click on it and I have a breakpoint there, nothing is happening there in my breakpoint. Okay, it will not print anything. As you can see, Flutter test is not defined. So how we are going to define it? Basically, since my like channel name is Flutter channel, and I'm using this current webview.html. If you see here, my channel name is Flutter test, right? So, and in my app side, my channel name is Flutter channel, right? So either I use the Flutter channel here name, or I use the Flutter test name in my app side. So let's use the Flutter channel since I have to show it. So in this way, like on button click, we are calling the channel here, and this will like send this post method. This is the method which sends the data to your app channel at the Flutter side. That is your app side. So okay, so let me rerun it again. Okay, I have run it. Let me run it in my app as well. Let's remove this breakpoints. We will require it only here. Here only print message. We will receive it. So let me click on it. You see, I received the message here, and this is the message we print from our website. Okay, so this is like one way you can get your data from the your website. Okay, now we have two more like ways to call the JavaScript function of your website from your app. So what are these two functions? Let me show it to you. So the two functions I'm talking about is one is your run JavaScript method, and second is your run JavaScript method, the run JavaScript return method basically. Let me show you how you can use it and what is the difference between them. Okay, so let's create two buttons here, elevated buttons. Okay, on so let me show it to you the difference between them. Let's name it run JavaScript. It's a text widget and it's run JavaScript. And basically, let's change the color in this. Okay, we are going to change the color of our website from the app. Okay, so right. So how we are gonna call the function? Basically, we will use the controller, our WebView controller we have created in this unit state. Dot. You will get access to the this run JavaScript method, and you have to call your function here. And what is the function here? Like this is a function which you will be, coding in your website. So let me show it to you. So in my case, I have named my function as this change background color, which is basically changing the entire background color of the body. Okay, I will use this function name in my app here, and we are passing the arguments here, and basically we are sending the color from the Flutter side, right? So you can use this function to send the color, and this is we can use it. So we are having this random function here, which is just creating the random color. Okay, so let me add this function, right? We have to call variable random, right? This is a math function. Okay, we will call this math function. We will just call this function here, right? So this will do. So let's check first if this is working. Okay, we have this method here, and here we got the button here. Okay, it's not changing the color, so let's see. It will go there and it will return the result here. See what we have made mistake. Basically, let's say random color we have. Okay, we have to put it in the string as well. We have to put it in string. Yeah, this should do. Okay, I guess it ran. Let's check it. Here, you see, now we can change the color of our website from the app as well. Basically, we are controlling the website from our app using the web view. Okay, now the second, basically, the second method is our JavaScript run returning method. So let me create another elevated button. Okay, this is text widget. We have run JavaScript returning, right? So similar way we are gonna use this controller dot run JavaScript returning result, and we call our function here. So I have created this function already, and this is this function name run some JavaScript value, which is I'm just running some string. Okay, here I will call my function. And since we are like getting the result from our website, so we have to, as you can see, this is a future method. So we have to wait for it, right? We have to wait for the result, and let's see, uh, we will get it. And then let's see, let's rerun it again, right? So yeah, it's run. So let me show you. Yeah, I clicked on the button, and in the, you can see in the breakpoints, I got the result, right? I got the result. So this is just I wanna show it to you how you can get the result from your JavaScript methods. And you see this method, let me show you, this method returns you void. You see, this is a void method. So in return you will like if you're going to wait it, you might see the value here, but when you're going to use it, it will show you null. So this is why we use the run JavaScript returning result method. So you can receive the integer, anything, your object, string, map. You can receive the data in the variable if you wait for it, and then you can use it in your app accordingly as well. So these are the ways you can use it. Okay, so yeah, I also want to show you how you can debug your WebView as well. Let me show it to you. First, you have to run your app in the emulator. So this is we are running it in the Android side first, right? We are using the Android side. It ran. Okay, so now you have to go to the Chrome. You have to go to this Chrome column inspect. You see, you will get this here when you go to inspect it here. When you inspect it, you can see your live value which is running in your emulator. You can control it from here as well from this web view. So this is things I wanna show it to you. And there are some like a few more things you can do in your web view as well. I want to show it to you, and let me show some interesting properties as well. So you can also like get the progress value because sometimes a web view takes time to load, so you can show the like progress indicator to your user. So how you're gonna show it to you? Let me show it to you. We can use set navigation delegate, and it requires a navigation delegate. Let me show it to you. Navigation delegate. So there are a bunch of like methods here you can see. So like on page start when your value is first loaded, then on page finished when your page is finished loaded, then your on progress method you can get the progress of your like l- progress of your app, your web view loader. So like this is like, and then you can show the progress indicator using this on progress way. Okay, and there is one more method which like you can use as well. So in here we have on navigation request method. You will see here uh, um, on navigation request. So let me show it to you how it works as well. We are going to on navigation request. So and it requires you to return the navigation decision, and I will show you what is navigation decision. Navigation navigation decision. See navigation decision. Okay. Okay. There are two methods in this you can return navigation decision dot navigate and navigation decision dot prevent. So let me show you what these two methods do as well. So let's say your website is loading. I mean, your website is loaded on your app, right? And there you have a link on your website. You click on it, then you will, receive the URL in this method. You can use this like URL to do like you can allow the like if you allow this. Let's say here you are loading you will get your request.url, and if you like enable this property here, navigation decision navigate, it will take you to that link. Basically, it will load your that click link in your web view. But if you use navigation decision dot prevent, it will not reload or show your clicked link in your web view. It will remain on the same page. Okay, so these are two ways you can like show or control the link behavior in your web view, right? And now, if I want to show you how you can debug your iOS web view, so let me show it to you. Okay, let's wait for it to connect. So, I mean, these are some ways you can use WebView in Android. Sometimes it takes time in iOS. But yeah, if you want to, like, all the things will be same in the iOS as well. But the way of debugging will be a little bit different. We have to go to the Safari for debugging in the for the web for the iOS WebView debugging. So you can see a develop method here. When you click on it, you will see like WebView here. Okay, let me show it to you working. Okay, sometimes it throws me this error. So let me run it. Just give me time a little bit. Okay, now let's rerun it again. It's loading. So this is how you can use WebView. If you have any doubt or something, please do comment. I will do my best and my earliest to reply on that comment, and I will help you in any way I can. So this is just a way, and also this is just a simple HTML like I have created. I will also paste it in the description if you need and you want to practice it. You can just copy paste this for your practice. Okay, so this is the way we can use this. Let me see. Okay, it ran. Okay, let's run this on our iOS device. So let's run it. Let's see. It is running. So in the next video, also I want to give a description about my next videos as well. In the next video, I will tell you how you can, host that HTML if you want to practice for free in your GitHub. Then also, if you are like working in an organization or something, you must have encountered some error if you are using the YouTube player, right? So we're gonna see how we can create our own YouTube player using the WebView, and like what I have also used the same way, and like this has improved the performance of my YouTube player a lot. So if I use the package, it is like very bad now. So let me show it to you. So this is our iOS uh, app. So yeah, you also need to enable the some properties like we have do it for Android. We use the clear traffic method in the manifest here, and same thing we have to do for the iOS as well. So for iOS, we have the property. Let me check where what I have to add. I have to add an info.playlist, and the property is. Let me check what the property was. I've added it. Allow arbitrary loads. I think this was the property dictionary. This is the one, not short. Okay, let's try this. Let's paste it and try this again. Inside info dot playlist iOS, and then we have to go to runner info dot playlist. Then let's paste it here and rerun it again. Let's rerun it again and check if this works for us. So even like to be honest, I have like searched all over the internet how I can use this, and then I'm here to show it to you. So it is not showing. So let's see where we are. Okay, I think because we are preventing the URL to load, let's navigate it. By default, it is navigating. So in iOS, it is this function runs on the very first go. If you prevent it, most probably it will not load, as you can see. So now I have just allowed the navigation, so it will run. In Android, basically it runs on click only. It do not runs on initial phase, but in iOS it runs initial phase when it is loading. So see, it is working the same way. So this is all for this video. I hope you have learned something from this video. I've also learned it. So in the next video, we're going to see how we can, create our own YouTube player instead of using the existing package, which is your YouTube uh, Flutter player. So we're going to create our own YouTube player, and we're going to see how much we can, create our own do customizations in it. So I will meet you in the next video. So please follow the channel and subscribe channel and like the video if you will find it helpful. Okay, bye guys.